Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sucre and Sweet. So today we will be looking at different ways to spruce up our drinks with ice cube. Nothing revolutionary, I know, but it's a fun reminder that we don't always need to rely on fancy garnishes to brighten up our drinks. We can use flowers, herbs, and fruits. If you are going to use flowers, make sure they are edible and free of pesticides.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You said
I love these square molds. They are perfect for larger ice buckets. I like to place the flower face down in the mold and just add enough water to cover the flower. Then I will freeze it for 20 minutes and go back to fill up the rest. That way the flower freezes at the edge of the ice cube and doesn't get lost in the middle of the ice.
what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
There are so many silicone molds available that you can really get creative with shapes and sizes. And if your mold is less rigid like this one, simply place a tray at the bottom to avoid spilling. Here I have some mint and I have some lemon thyme. I could have also added some blueberries or cut up citrus to add more color.
Take me away, I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
These spheres are definitely a favorite at our house. They are so fun to unmold and you can do so much with them.
Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
If, like me, you like to have a mimosa once in a while but don't necessarily want to open a bottle for it, or if you have leftover bubbly that you don't want to waste, simply freeze it, alone or with fruits, and that way you can have a mimosa whenever you want. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna